KFC, short for Kentucky Fried Chicken, is an American fast food restaurant chain that specializes in fried chicken. The company was founded in 1930 by Colonel Harlan Sanders, who began selling his famous fried chicken from a roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. KFC's fried chicken is known for its unique blend of 11 herbs and spices, which gives it a distinct flavor that many people find irresistible. This secret recipe, developed by Colonel Sanders himself, has remained a closely guarded secret for decades and continues to be a major draw for KFC customers. The popularity of Colonel Sanders' fried chicken grew rapidly, and by the early 1950s, he had franchised his recipe and trademark to restaurants across the United States. In 1952, the first KFC franchise opened in Salt Lake City, Utah, and by 1964, there were over 600 KFC locations across the United States and Canada. KFC has a reputation for providing a consistent product across all its restaurants, whether you visit a KFC in New York or London. This consistency helps to build customer loyalty and keep customers coming back for more. In the 1980s and 1990s, KFC faced some challenges, including increased competition from other fast food chains and criticism of the nutritional value of its fried chicken. In response, the company introduced new menu items, such as roasted chicken and salads, and began promoting healthier eating options. KFC's global presence continued to grow throughout the 2000s and 2010s, with the company opening new stores in countries such as China and India. In addition to its signature fried chicken, they also introduced new menu items, such as its popular chicken sandwich and chicken tenders. Today, it is one of the largest fast food chains in the world, with over 24,000 locations in more than 145 countries. The company has continued to innovate, introducing new menu items and expanding its digital offerings, such as online ordering and delivery. Despite facing challenges, KFC remains a popular destination for chicken lovers around the world. Thanks for watching.